Hello everyone, welcome to Excel interview question and answer series. Here is the data set of outlets. Name was given and their area was given and their cell. So the problem statement, in the problem statement we have a two question and we have to give the answers of these questions, like what is the total count of area named which starts with a beaver, and the total count of area start with the Beatul, total count of outlet name that is start with S in the Beatul area. So for solving these questions we use a COUNTIF and COUNTIFS function. So let's look the approach, how we can approach the problem statement and how to solve these questions. We use the COUNTIF function for this. We have to count the name of area whose named is beaver. So we use COUNTIF. We select the desired range of this area and we specify the criteria. In criteria we specify the name beaver city. So it provides the total count of a beaver city in this area. We can also validate by applying a filter also, like we can unselect the Betul and here we get the answer as a 3 count. So our answer is correct. So now the second question is total count of area named Betul. Again we use a COUNTIF function for this and the range is same, but the criteria will be different for this time. We use the Betul in this criteria under the double inverted commas and press enter. So here we get the answer 9. If we check the answer by applying a filter, then we can see it appears 9. Here it is like 9. So our answer is correct. The next question is that we want the total count of outlets that name start with S. First criteria is the name should be start with S, and the second criteria is the area will be in Betul. So this time we use the COUNTIFS function. When we have multiple criterias for counting any in data, so we always go for the COUNTIFS function. For COUNTIFS, we first specify the criteria range 1. So our first criteria is we select the area from the desired cell and then is specified we want the area as in Betul. So we specified the Betul name under the inverted commas. Then the second criteria, what will be the second criteria? In the outlet's name, the name should be start with S. We select the our criteria. Then the name should be start with S. So for this, the name should be start with S. We use the wildcard. Wildcard, what is the wildcard? Wildcard is used to provide the answer, like the name should be start with S. So we write S and after that we put asterisk sign. So what this do? This provides the result, like after S any number of a character will be there, so it will provide the result of it and we can close the bracket. So it will gives as a 2. We can also validate by applying a filter, like in Betul area the outlet name start with S. First we apply the filter on the Betul and then in outlet name we apply S and then asterisk and we check, like here it appear only 2. So our output is correct. So we can also validate our result, like if it's appear correct or not. It is a good practice to check the result because sometimes it will get lost. So this time we want the outlets whose sale is less than 500 in Betul area. Again we have to use the two criteria are there. So we use a COUNTIFS function. So first criteria, again we specify the area and in the double inverted commas we provide the Betul name, and this time we provide the criteria range in under the sales, and the sales should be less than 500. So for less than 500 we use the operator less than operator and that should be less than 500 and close the bracket. Then we get the result 4. How we can check this? We can again apply the filter. We can apply Betul and the sale should be less than. So we can go to the number filter and the less than 400. No, it's a 500. So we have to apply 500 and then click OK. So we get only 4 results. So our output is correct. So here is the way we can do it. So if you found this helpful, do like the video and subscribe to my channel to stay updated for upcoming useful Excel tips and Excel interviews, question and answer on a daily basis. Thank you for watching.